Why do some edibles miss and others knock me ass over cans?
Great question. It has a lot to do with the production process. Mixing cannabis is problematic, and things can go off the rails.
Let's take a closer look at how cannabis edibles are made and how it all goes wrong. Homogenization isn't just mixing. It means your oil is evenly distributed. No bubbles, no voids, just consistent doses in every bite. The hotspots carry almost all the actives, leaving the rest of the batch severely underdosed. The bubble effect is when poorly mixed batches create zones of concentrated active. Little bubbles of high potency surrounded by underdosed voids. Your math is right, but your product isn't. That's the problem. Math is only as good as the system behind it. If your inputs are flawed, your perfect equation just spreads the error evenly.
The first line was wrong, so I made a better one.
Are you measuring by volume, eyeball, or a scribbled line? You're playing yourself. If you want consistency, use weight every time. This is your moment. For once, we actually want you to try this at home. Want to see how hard mixing really is? Add green food coloring to your cannabis oil before adding it to the batch. And don't stop mixing until it's completely even. Bad news. It might take hours. Every change, new equipment, new recipe, new batch size, can throw it all off. That doesn't mean you failed. It means your process is still being developed. Think you've nailed your recipe? Try scaling up? Everything changes. Time, texture, behavior. Scaling doesn't multiply your process, it restarts it. You don't need perfection. You need a process that checks itself, one that catches problems before they spread. Check your mix, check your pour, check your final dose. Every checkpoint is a chance to save the batch.
So, it's not just me?
Nope. It's them.
A well-made cannabis product starts with a good process. Start there and the rest follows.